KDPILOT review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called KDPILOT. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that you will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab KDPILOT AI copy here or just KDPILOT. So grab the copy, click on that link, come to the sales page, and when you try to move away from the sales page for the first time, it will give you $5 discount. So when you come to the sales page, then try to move away, it will give you a coupon code called KDVIP. Try to use the coupon code KDVIP and that should give you a $5 discount. And if you want to know about my bonuses, then I don't discuss the bonuses in the beginning. So you have to watch the video till the end. I'll talk about the bonuses after 5 minutes, okay? And also, if you want to buy my own software, because if you check out this link says check out all my Warrior Plus products. So when you click on this link, you can buy my own software related to affiliate marketing. You can check out the demo on these sales pages. I have explained these products in the end of this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end if you want to know more and how to make money online. So on the sales page, it says instantly turn any keyword into thousands of Kindle books in multiple niches and start generating recurring monthly commissions on complete autopilot. Revolutionary, done for you Amazon publishing AI operator that researches, writes, formats, and auto publishes. So it's all about generating ebooks and publishing them on Kindle, Amazon Kindle. Okay, that's all. So rest you have to scroll the sales page and find the demo video. So keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. I'm with you. I'm right here. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, and eventually we'll get to the demo video in this live. So keep scrolling. Don't lose hopes. We are nearly there. Before we die, we'll find the demo video. Are we gonna find it? I think we missed it. So let me see. Let's start from the bottom. So let's go up. Hopefully we'll find the demo video before you and I die. So let's not hope lose. Let's not hope lose. So let's not lose hope. Yeah, you see, it makes you crazy. There is a demo video. Okay, so when you come down maybe 60% on a sales page, then this is the demo video. The bad thing about the demo video is if you play, they don't give you the option to fast forward the video. You see this red circle here coming when I try to scroll further. It doesn't allow me to scroll further, okay? So you have to do your labor, you have to do your hard work, and you have to watch. If this is how it's going to be, then you will have to watch 12 minutes of demo video. So far, it shows the demo video is 12 minutes long. You can see here 12:32, and you can't really fast forward, okay? So obviously, if they try to blackmail me, I have more expertise than them anyways. So I don't really fucking care about the demo video. If you don't allow me to scroll further, then go fuck yourself. So if you want to buy this product, then go and do your labor and watch the every second of this demo video before you buy, and they don't allow you to fast forward the video anyway, okay? Anyways, if you want to buy my own products, then you can keep watching the video till the end. We have some question answers. Do you need to pay a monthly fee? No. What will be the price after the launch? It's up to them. Commercial license included? Yes. I'm not taking percent. That's why you will buy it. So how is KDP different from other tools? I can't even maximize it. Okay. So if I click here, nothing happens. Nothing happens. You see, it's not correctly formatted for now. So whatever. Okay. So it shows $12, and if you use the coupon code, you might get it for free. Who knows? But anyways, whether you want this KDPILOT or not, but if you want my bonuses, then you have to go and buy using my link below anyway. So we have the sales page, as you can see. So my bonus URL is linked with the sales page already. So go and buy this using my link below if you want my bonuses. Here we have the funnel, front end, this and that. So you can see what you will be getting in the front end basic. Okay. Then you have OTO1 Pro. Then you have done for you pack upgrade 2. Then you have upgrade 3 automation. Then you have upgrade 4 10x. Wow, 10x KDPILOT Platinum. 6 is KDPILOT Diamond. Then gold and silver and bullet and diamond and ruby and what else? Anything else? Anyway, so let's get done. Let's get done with this KDPILOT. Whether you want this or not. If you want my bonuses, keep watching the video till the end so that you know what the bonuses are. And also, as I said, you can buy my own products, so we'll just talk about them. So make sure you watch the video till the end, subscribe, like, and share. Alrighty, humans. So we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours, 9 minutes. And in this training, you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay. Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this if you are serious about making money on YouTube. This is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.